Okay, there's a bunch of lessons in here. Listen up. First and foremost, roll out something soft when you're working on the windows. I've tried tape and paper. I've tried every which way. The only thing that works pretty good for me is to roll out something soft, staple it down, roll it back up and pull the staples out when you're done. And then you don't scratch the bejesus out of this thing. All right, so I make big black lines so you can see on camera. In reality, I wouldn't advise making lines that dark. It's hard to clean off, but we're just making this for the camera. Okay, first thing foremost, uh, zipper. This is how you put the zipper in. So I've got these lines on to replicate where my facing's gonna go. I want my one edge of my zipper to go hang underneath the facing, right? So when they open it up, you got as much open as humanly possible. Secondly, when you leave a space of clear between the facing and the zipper, it just makes it makes it so wide. This just makes the non-visible area as narrow as possible. Okay, so I'm going to sew my one edge beyond that line there so that when I sew my facing on, it's going to make a natural finished edge. I'm going to start a little bit down from the edge because there's no reason your other facing is going to cover your edge there. Oops. Here we go. Okay, so here's the trick of the day. Make sure you're sewing your outside edge first before you sew your inside edge, because when you go around there, if you do the inside, then this flips up like that, and you can't, man, it makes it horrible. So if you do that side first, it flips that side up, but then when you sew it back down, you're able to put little tucks into the fabric there. Now, we're going to bind the edge of our zipper. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut a piece of binding that big. Up, tayo. Bam, that's how you do it. Look. All right. Let me show you that one more time. All right. So you got your two pieces. I've got one cut plain and one cut with the fold over. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my bottom piece and I'm going to fold it over. And then I start it just a tack, just because that helps me so much in the keeping it, in place. Nothing much, just a tack. You see, I always leave it long. All right. So that's going to go in there like that. Bam. It's going to cover all of this ugly's about to get covered. Then that's going to go in there just the same. Look at that. It's all going to get covered. Look at that. So now your zipper's finished. That's what you see from the outside of the boat. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, keep a little wind in the sails of our pirate ship.